Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we'll be explaining if you have a BMW 3 Series, guys, generation 2005, 2013, and you have the active steering and you're trying to locate the fuses for that active steering, where you can find those. Not every 3 Series come with active steering, and we'll demonstrate where the fuses will be, okay, and where to expect to find them. Now, BMW 3 Series, guys, that generation E90, E91, 92, 93, they use 3 different fuse boxes depending on which year it was built. So if yours is different, you need to always double check, even if everything looks the same, double check to make sure that those are the fuses. So not every 3 Series comes with active steering and ours doesn't, but the location of the fuses will be there and we'll show you where to find them. So we have more than 200 videos on the 3 Series. Please subscribe, guys, for more videos. So we need to go to the passenger side now, and it's behind the fuse panel is behind the glove box. Okay, let me show you quick. So we need to open the glove box, the glove compartment here. Okay, and you can see that black cover will need to come out. So we need to go ahead and twist those round things 90 degrees to point up, vertical, like that. And the cover will come loose and you can pull it out. Now we need to go ahead and locate the fuses for the active steering, and again, ours is not equipped, but if it was, I'll show you where they could be. So first, now we need to locate fuse number 45. So 45 is, if you come on this block, okay, right here, have 6 fuses. The one on the right side, the very top one, okay, this one right here, this is fuse number 45 for active steering. And the main fuse for active steering, guys, will be fuse number 50. So 50 will be a huge fuse like those here, but you can see the one that we're missing over there, the very left one on top. Okay, this is for active steering. So you have this fuse and you have this fuse, okay, right here. So those 2 fuses, guys, are for active steering. If you need help with that, also we'll have quite a few videos on that beamer, so please subscribe, guys, maybe more than 200 videos. And if you need help, just drop a comment below, we'll try to make a video for you. Make sure that you install that cover here, everything's good. And that will be all, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.